Are your iPhone notifications playing hide and seek, leaving you in the dark about important updates? Let's get those alerts back on track with this quick troubleshooting guide. First, we'll dive into your iPhone's core notification settings. Swipe down from the top right to access your control center. Check if your focus modes, like Do Not Disturb or Sleep, are accidentally enabled. While these will silence everything, simply tap on the focus icon to disable any active modes. Next, let's ensure individual apps are allowed to buzz. Go to Settings, then tap on Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps and find the one that's acting up. Make sure Allow Notifications is toggled on within each app's notification settings. You can then customize how you receive alerts. While banners, sounds, or badges, ensure these are configured to your preference. If an app's notifications are still missing, try resetting just that app's notification settings for the problematic app. Within its notification settings, toggle Allow Notifications off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. This can often resolve glitches. Outdated software can sometimes cause notification issues. Head to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. It's a common fix for many iOS bugs. Your network connection also plays a role. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Sometimes, a simple toggle off and on of Wi-Fi or cellular data in settings can refresh your connection and resolve notification delivery problems. And there you have it. A comprehensive checklist to get your iPhone notifications working flawlessly again. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips.